Hello everyone, welcome to the coordinates. In the previous video, we have successfully created the command and query for the product handler get by ID. Now in this video, I am going to create the new get products query. Get products. So similar way, I am going to use add new query. Then I request. I don't want to manipulate the data, so I enable. Then record and public. In the same way, I am going to create the handler. I request handler. Then we have to request. So then I enable product DTO. I request handler get product query and quick implement the interface. Similarly, private read only. Then we have inject the services in the constructor. Now where product get product async with cancellation token, then await. Now where product DTO is the auto, then p dot id comma p dot name, p dot price comma p dot description. Then we have to return the list of the product. So here we always get the product. Now we have to convert this product into the data transfer object in the record. So in this way, we have successfully created the insert, update, delete command and handler. So thank you for watching this video.